We're at another terrible looking place in the world. Fila Wha Whum, the national park here. Just absolutely stunning how beautiful it is. Look at that fish rising right there.
And there's fish rising.
And there's fish rising.
That makes it even more beautiful.
Let's go! This is the second lake we've seen with a no motor rule. I'm glad I've been working out, but man, I miss my boat.
Ooh, a little. Deep. Wow.
My first Argentine brown trout.
Elbow.
Elbow. I'm gonna pick that out real quick. Yeah. What a fish. Right away, you can see that the mountain literally dropped right into the water, making this for some deep water fishing.
With Dennis working the fly deep, I was gonna beat the banks and fish the top.
Trout gotta go. Wind started blowing.
When we first got here, the water was beautiful, glassy. Makes you wonder if we're even in Patagonia. And there's the wind. Oh yeah, we're in Patagonia.
So what he's saying is we're gonna mix things up a little bit, go more of a dropper under a hopper. So the hopper dropper you might have heard of. Stonefly with a dropper, and he's put up some big copper johns, big print stiffs. Everything here in Patagonia is big. Hopefully the fish are too. Coming! In a boat, out of the boat. Now we're walking through a field. Streamers, sink tips, floating lines, hopper droppers. And now we got the wind, which supposedly in Patagonia means fish. Yeah, go, you're already. Mucho hopper. Spotted a fish? You guys see what?
Mucho hopper. Yeah.
You guys spotted a grasshopper?
No, a fish.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Get low, get low, get low.
Oh!
Take out immediately!
That was supposed to happen. Wow!
We on our own, on the dropper.
Very good! Very good, except he's in the bushes.
I'll get him.
Yeah, we might bring the boat over here just to get this fish. Hey. Hey, should we get the boat over here? Just bring the boat?
Seagull to the rescue. Dennis lost his fish. Hey. Reel it all the way at the end. Is it just the dropper?
Oh, he was still there too. He just broke it off.
The brown.
Was it? I thought it was a rainbow. We saw it hanging there. Threw it in. I mean, that thing turned on as fast as I get in the water. And then what happened?
Any good fisherman would have controlled it and kept it out of the weeds.
Yeah, but we all know I'm not a good fisherman.
Commando fishing, spotting, stalking, crawling in. This is what we resorted to.
Right there. I see him. See? So he spotted a fish kind of working around right over here. Really slow, stagnant water. So we're going to give him plenty of drift, maybe 10, 12 feet. And try to drift this hopper dropper right into him. Go. And then we're going to stop. Okay? Copy. Let's go.
The old language barrier strikes again.
I couldn't even see it.